Hello Adagio, time for another tea review. Today I'm using up the last of my Viking Prince blend made by Elfpen, as she was called on Tumblr, or Maggie, same as my name. So fun. But I got actually 2 bags of this tea for Christmas. Used it up in almost a month. I was almost gone. And I had this little bit left I'd been saving. Because it is a fabulous tea. Opening it up, first smell is the spices. It reminds me of chocolate, but like with a mint taste to it, which I think is the spices. It just smells really, really good. It's got, the ingredients are tiger eye, poo air spice, and mocha nutmate. So it's got that nutty taste. It just smells really, really good. I gotta tell you. So it's spices and nut. And then the chocolate caramel of the tiger eye kind of eases it up. And you can see it's a very dark color, the black tea. I steeped it at 212 degrees for 4 minutes. Good. It also has cocoa nibs and chocolate chips as the inclusion, so it's really got that chocolate smell. But that eases off with the tea itself, and the spices and the nut come through more. It's a pretty deep taste. Not that. A little mellower than the character, probably. Although maybe not, now that he's become chief and he's a Viking prince. And next I'm going to try adding sugar. Stevia, actually. Which has a fabulous chemical reaction with hot water. So, see how it changes it. Sweetens it, but I don't think it really needs it. Not that I prefer it without. And then I'm going to try adding milk. Gotta try all the forms of the tea. Ooh, that's a little much. I can't pour. I only have a little bit left because this is the very last of my tea. Turned a nice milky color. That definitely brings the nut flavor forward more, the mocha nutmate. Like that with the edge of chocolate. It does taste like mocha. Got that. So if you want a mocha taste, but for tea it's probably a little healthier. I forgot how much I enjoy it with milk. That's really good. But overall, 10 out of 10. This is a really good tea. Like I said, I drank, what was it, 2 bags is like 6 ounces. Almost the entire thing in like a month. That, I used it up so fast. I even had this giant thing to put it in, and it's all gone. I'm very sad. But there's so many other teas I want to try. But I will definitely be getting more of Elfpen / Maggie's Viking Prince How to Train Your Dragon tea. And thanks for watching.